write your own size 200 pixels. No problem. And every column comes with the 200 pixels. Every column size comes with the 200 pixels. How many columns we are providing, sir? 4 columns. But 4 columns with the 200 pixels it's displaying. Excess of blank space is leaving like that. But what is the problem in this one, sir? But 200 pixels as per my screen size, okay. But as per the mobile screen size, 200 pixels, each column size 200 pixels. 4 columns I want to display like this. And 4 into 2, 800 pixels. 800 pixels in mobile device available or not? No guarantee. But compulsory alignment disturbing. So instead of using our own measurement, use the autofill. On predefined option, autofill. We are not writing any measurement. Browser it is calculating the measurements automatically. Autofill non-interested candidates, you can write your n number of pixels, how much you require. But that is always not workouts. So we want to automatically adjustment, sir. So for that we are going to writing autofill. Autofill the columns. And next continuation, sir. Min, max. What is this, sir? One more function. Repeat is already one function and min max is also one more function. What is this min max, sir? Just I said few minutes back, this is representing the minimum size of the column and this is representing the maximum size of the column. This function indicating internally two, sir. Minimum size of the column how much and maximum size of the column how much. So I'm giving some boundaries. This is my least size to display the content and this is my highest size to display the content. Within these measurements only your content is adjusting irrespective of the division sizes, device sizes. Is it necessary to specify the minimum size, sir? If we are not specified the minimum size, browser takes their own size. If it is okay, then don't write anything. No, sir, I want to set the minimum size depends upon my content requirements, sir. I'll write something size here. So the least size, suppose I'm going to writing 250 pixels. The least size 250 pixels. If any device less than 250 pixels available, my content not displaying properly. 100%, sir. Because I'm saying the least size is the 250 pixels. So suppose this is the device, almost remote. Suppose remote width how much available now, sir? And almost 150 pixels available. But my minimum size is the 250 pixels. But 100 pixels is excess this one. It is a problem, sir. No, sir. In that scenario, horizontal scroll bar activated. You can write 150 pixels directly, sir. Why 250 pixels, sir? 150 pixels not suitable for my content size. This measurement only not important. This measurement is suitable to this content width or not, you have to check it. Again, some devices 50 pixels available, and if you write the 50 pixels, so how image displaying in 50 pixels, sir? Not correct thing. So reducing required.
Recording in
size
progress.
Is 300 pixels. But instead of 300 pixels something, better go for the another option. What is that another option, sir? We have some automatic measurement calculations, sir. 1FR. Fractional pattern. One fractional pattern. FR is nothing but a fractional. FR is the P, like as PX. FR is the shortcut, sir. This is pixels, and this is the fractional. So what is the meaning of 1FR if you write it, sir? Maximum size deciding based on your container width. The max size of your column decided based on the width of your container. If you write like this, sir, the container width not considered. Every column maximum 300 pixels it will comes. That is comes some alignment problems. Instead of that, go for automatic calculations of those one, that is called as the 1FR. So one function inside another function I given, sir. I'll give the which one is the main function, which one is the small function. See once. This is actual function. It takes the two parameters. One is the autofill parameter. Second one is the this value. And again, this is one function. This takes the two parameters. One is the minimum size of the column and one is the maximum size of the column. And one function inside, I call the another function. Function inside the another function. Possible as sir. Maybe in your programming languages, you did like this, I think. If not remember it, I'll show it here. See that. Printf is the universal function in our computer programming, sir. Almost in all subjects, we have this function. Almost all subjects, printf is available. 80 to 90% of, including Java also. In Java also printf available, but somebody maybe no idea, I think. Because mostly you are using println, but printf also available in Java programming. So printf followed by, I'm going to writing some power value is. X power y value I'm going to calculating. Suppose power value is some percentage LF, comma, I'm going to calling here power of 2, 9. So observe once the steps are here. Power is one of the predefined function. Printf is also one of the predefined function. What happening, sir, into one function inside another function is called. Which function inside which function is called, sir? Power, printf inside power is called. But first, which function is executing, sir? Power executing. It's calculating the 2 to the power of 9 answer. We'll get a small result here. That result is hand over to the printf. Nested functions answer. Similarly, first min max is activating. The result of this min max is passing to the repeat function. This is one of the predefined function and this is one of the predefined function. Now I applied a small settings here, sir. So see the result of this one. Total not completed, sum only completed. Just a column specification I given here. But every column width available here. It is adjusting the width, sir. Observed? I reduced the browser. How many movies are displaying now? One movie. Any horizontal scroll bar? Side by side not displaying because browser size is less. So if the current size of the browser is suitable to display for only one column. But where is the balance movies are? Vertically we have, sir, balance movies. We can scroll like that. Images sizes could be variation available. Image settings also required. Your mobile look of appearance. The same iBomma, if you open in mobiles, you will get like this. If I open some broad mobile or big mobile, sir. But as per my width of the browser, it's able to display the two columns, 250, 250, 500 pixels. If again browser increasing, sir, 3 columns, different devices, and this is another device. Maybe some of your computers will get 4 columns only. Reasons are your screen width is different to my screen width is different. All are 15 inches monitor. No, this is 15 inches monitor, 15.7 inches monitor, this one. But all laptops 15.7 inches, no, 13 inches available, 14 inches available. But whenever the monitor size is increasing, decreasing, browser width is also increasing. But some monitors like this. So based on the width of the browser, nothing but based on the width of the device, your list of movies adjusting or not. Adjusting or not? Huh? Adjusting. How much list it comes, sir? Before, try to drag this one. I'm still dragging, but not reducing. Observed, huh? Why it is not reducing? We reaches to minimum size. What is our minimum size, sir? 250 pixels. And we reaches to minimum size. Below that, it's unable to reduce. So least to 200, 250. Highest to depends upon your device width. If you apply some more options, we'll get the some more attractive laser. But almost done. Only the problem is images. One movie image different size, another movie image different sizes comes. And that images also, if you control it, then problem solved. Okay, we'll finish this one now. We are going to applying the some more settings of this one. What is that, sir? Some gaps. If you are interested in margin borders, if you are more interested in shadows for 3D impact, most of our movies list to the 3D effect it is going to display. So try to apply the borders and shadows. First, I'm going to applying the border. Take the small size borders, sir, not thick borders. So 2 pixels, solid line. Which color? Background dark gray color is available. Orange, yeah. ఎక్కడ apply చేసా? Sorry. For main dues and tag we applied, sir, by mistake. So the whole will get the box. But we want to get the boxes inside the small dues and tags. So start one more selector. The main dues and tag is over. Inside the main dues and tag, we have 8 subdues and tags. For 8 subdues and tags, we want to apply the common style. So I'm going to preferring once again class selector. Why class selector, sir? Because we want to apply these for the 8 subdues and tags. Mapping amma. A small mapping, sir. Total 8 times we need the mapping. Because 8 subdues and tags class selector, so 8 times mapping is required. Without mapping, is there any shortcut, sir? Luckily 8 available, but original iboma how many available? 30 or 40 available in one single screen, but 30 times you have to map it compulsory. But instead of 30 times mapping, 3 times mapping, 300 times mapping, without mapping automatically applying, is there any chances, sir? Yes, sir. We have a lot of selectors. In that 4 only we completed. A balance of 6 selectors, one selector if you use it, without mapping, we can apply the styles. Very simplification code. How it is possible, sir? But total in my program, how many divs and tags we have? Total in program, how many divs and tags we have? The whole program, how many divs and tags we have, sir? 8 or 7 or 9 or 6? Huh? Sound. Last rows. Girls, your age. What is 9? Divs and tags. Oh, sure. Huh? Yeah. In 9 divs and tags, how many main tags? 1 now. Batch subtags, how many? 8. But now what are the styles we are going to defining? Borders, so shadows. We want to apply for these 8 divs and tags, except that 9th one, right? But 8 divs and tags, you want to apply the common style. One class selector creation required. And this class selector mapping 8 times is also required. It is just awareness point of view, 8 movies I am taking. After completion of the program, some students they are interested to design the full program. But 30 movies or 40 movies it will comes. That's time 40 times mapping required. With a risky process. By chance, a class name, if you change in future, sir, well, again, in 40 times, you have to change the class name. That today I designed the class with one name. Tomorrow, so and so reasons, name changed. But what happens? You have to go for the HTML coding, all mapping steps, you have to change the name. The long and complication process. So for that simplification, without a single mapping, we can apply the styles only for 8 divs and tags. 100% possible. How it is possible, sir? Balance selectors lo child selector one selector available. 6 pending available selectors. In that 6 selectors, child selector and one model is available, sir. Child in the sense, main tag, sub tag. Main tag another name, parent. Sub tag another name, child. These two, what is the relation, sir? This is the parent. And these 8 divs and tags are the childs. Sorry. 8 divs and tags are the childs. So I want to apply the styles for only child tags. Then use the child selector. But mapping also doesn't require. You just design the child selector, browser automatically applying for 8 childs. Not 80, 800 childs available, 800 childs it is applying. Parents never getting effect. It's never applying the parents. It's only applying the settings for the son of Satyamurthy, son of Krishnamurthy, son of Ramurthy only. Krishnamurthy not affecting, son of Krishnamurthy only affecting. Ramurthy not affecting, son of Ramurthy only affecting. Allu Arjun, son of Satyamurthy also not affecting. Satyamurthy not affecting, but Allu Arjun is affecting. Allu Arjun, one of the movie, son of Satyamurthy. So, parent not affected, but only it is applying to the childs. So, how to write this one, sir? Division tag, purely division tag. But if I leave it, sir, what happens? 9 division tags are got affected. But this is the child of another division tag. Another division tag class name what? That another division tag class name what, sir? This one, wait. So this is the newly created selector. Now this border is applying for the all division tags of the my page. But I want to apply this border only for the 8 division tags. Those are the child of another division tag. That another division tag class name what? Main division. Before your name, write your parent name like this. First one is the parent name. Second one is the child name. So now it is applying these styles for division. But whose division? Son of or daughter of main division tag. So this is the person name, sir. This is the person parent name. Normal in real life, parent name next line it will comes. Programming the parent name first it will comes. In application form, first you are writing your name. And next field, your parent name. Order little bit reverse. So apply these styles on division tag. Which division tag? The childs of this division tag. Mapping no need. But automatically 8 division tags are affecting. Simple trick. That is the balance selector's purpose. But you can observe this one. What is this select? ID. And remove this one. What is this selector? Tag. So ID inside tag we are placing. Then it becomes as a child selector. Nothing special. Combination of one ID and one tag selector. So see that I never did any mapping here. Go and check the proof. 8 orange boxes are ready. Orange or yellow, whatever it may be. 8 boxes are ready. Now same way, back to the program. Try to apply the gaps, sir, because they comes very close boxes. So lines also touching here. So just apply the gap. So what? Grid hyphen gap. But grid hyphen gap we have to write here. Grid hyphen gap or 25 pixels I'm taking here. Now 2x4 format we got it finally. A box your cell, sir. Cell inside 3 content or 4 content available here. Next, I'm going to applying the shadow also for the 3D effective purpose. Box hyphen shadow, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, some 10 pixels and 0 pixels. Color is red. I'm trying to give. What happens, we'll see. Shadows also we got it here. This is the actual look. 100% in the magnifier format. Red color shadow is also available. But already we applied the shadows are into white borders and then try to remove once, check the look once. Both required, you can apply the both. No, only one required, you can go for one. Dark, not looking good, sir. This is the operation. Next one, apply the settings on images. Every image is getting their own size. So write a small settings for the image. Width of the image. Don't write any measurements, sir. Go for the percentages format. Your column, how much width available, my image width also should be same. How much width the column available, image also getting the same width. Your column size reduced, image size reducing. Column size increased, image size also increasing. Percentage effect is that one. Instead of percentage, if you write 100 pixels, sir, browser size adjusting decreasing sizes, your image not going to responding. Your size, whatever it may be, I'm setting 1000 pixels, 100 pixels like this only. Hands also putting like this. My space under the RTC buses, we are stopping the space like that. Browser width, whatever it may be, this is my space 100%. Instead of pixels, go for percentages. Then you will get the responsive nature also. See that width of the column, your image width, perfectly setting. Try to reduce the size. Adjust the image size. Image size increased also based on your browser. Column size increasing as well as image size also increasing. See this one. This is called as perfect responsive designing. But this program, if you run in TVs, or mobiles, or tabs, or laptops, or desktops, perfectly comes the output. How these are the things are possible, and two are the special lines are. The percentage is one effect too, and this is the another effect. Next one, the height variations available. Observed. Some images height are different, some more images heights are different. So get the heights also with the neutral format. What is the height of that one, sir? Again, two formats. So height equals to 100 pixels. But your browser height reducing, sir, image adjustment problem is comes. So better follow here also percentage. But how much percentage? 100, huh? Don't take the 100 percentage. Because image bottom, you have two lines data also. For that lines of data also, you have to provide the space. 100% image occupying, bottom movie name is there, rating available, year available, if they are coming out of the box. So image height should be less than the your column size. Or 60, 70, that is okay, sir. We'll check it once 60. This one. Wait. A 90 also we can give it, sir. But I want to implement one more also. What is that one more, sir? Height of the column that much required. Huh? We can reduce the height of the column or not? Yesterday we observed the IBOM, the small sizes available. Height. How we are controlling the width, height also I'm going to controlling. Possibility is there, sir. 100% possible. Where is subdivision tag? This is. Go to here, write the height. What is the height fixed, sir? 300 pixels I am taking, suppose. 300 and too much. Yesterday I bomma displaying like this only. Too much if you feel like 300, okay, sir. 400. I think this is sufficient size. We'll last second row we have a lot of spaces, sir. Fill that one with your favorite movies. So many is there in iBomma. Fill that your favorite movies. Last finishing touch, sir. Anchor tags and data not visible clearly because background dark color is available and your data is also dark color. So try to make some small changes of those first of all. So take the anchor tag here. Change the color first anchor tag. A dark blue color is available, but background dark gray color is there. So visibility problem. Which color? Yellow, na? Red ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది dark కదమ్మా. One dark color available, the second one light color is always good. మీ sarees అయితే ఓకే కానీ మా డ్రెస్సెస్ ఓకే కదా. బాటమ్ డార్క్ టాప్ డార్క్ అంటే నాట్ లుకింగ్ గుడ్ కదా. Okay, we'll go for some green color here. Some audience they requested the green color. Next, wait. Next one, anchor tag size also little bit increase it. Let us very small size available. So try to increase the little bit. Font size followed by 20 pixels I'm taking. So the letters clearly visible for us. Next, sir, anchor tag bottom underlines available. I don't want any underlines. Just remove the underlines. Possible, sir. Text hyphen decoration colon none. That underline is called as the text decoration. So I don't want any text decoration. But in future, if I want to get underline, sir, text decoration equals to underline. Again, underline comebacks. You don't want to underline a text decoration equals to none. Now anchor tags bottom underline disables. But still it is anchor tag only. Look changed, that's all. Next what? Stars. What is the star symbol? Span tag. So take the span tag. Total we have 10 span tags, 16 spans available total. All 16 span tags I want to display in the same style. Font size equals to 18 pixels and color equals to yellow I'm writing. This is process. Program over. Fully responsive designing web page. We get the same style. మన online shopping products we can display. In the same style, list of buses we can display. In the same style, list of trains we can display. You're practicing examples. So the second application is also over, sir. HTML yesterday we already completed. Today we just focused on the CSS. And newly and very first time I used only this option. Maybe I think this option. Rest of all are we already knows. Hmm. Next, moving to the next topic, working with the tables. So how to draw the tables and how to display the tables, that is our next topic, sir. 50 to 60% of the websites or web pages, we are working with the tables generally. But 100% is the no chance, sir. Tables 100% not required. 50% of scenarios, tables are required. Why, sir? Your marks list displaying in the table format only. When you are checking the results in online, your mark sheet is comes in table format. Or EMI table and Flipkart, Amazon, if you observe that one, EMI table available. List of banks tables only comes. Or if you have any net banking or accounts, last 3 months account statements, that also comes in the form of tables only. Next, IPL points table. If any cricket tournament is going on, points are going to displaying in the form of tables only. Like that of 50, 60 scenarios, tables support also required, but not 100% cases. So 50, 60%, and it's not an ordinary tag, sir, very useful tag only for us. Then how to work with these tables, how to design these tables, sir. For that, we have the special tags. If you want to design the tables, we should use minimum 5 tags. For drawing of one table, 5 tags required. After all, table 5 tags required us, sir. What to do, sir? Their alignment and designing is like that. Suppose this is row number 1. This is row number 2. And this is row number 3. And this one is the row number 4. Next, columns. Columns division, I'm just drawing the line here. So this is column number 1. This is column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3, and column number 4. With basic table. Generally in tables, so first row what we have, sir? Headings. Which headings? Table heading, column headings generally. Table heading different, column headings are different. Most of the scenarios in first row, we have the column headings. Here, the serial number 1. And this is the name of the student, suppose. And this is the course joined. And this is the contact number. 4 columns. So then it is becomes as a table. Second row onwards, data available. Suppose serial number 1. Change the color once again. Serial number 1, name of the student some Ram, course is C language, and contact number something 420. Contact number, fancy number. This is table, and top of this one main heading is comes. That main heading is student details. Student details. But if you want to design like this on our web page, we need 5 tags total. 5 tags compulsory required. If any one tag is missing, table shape is not comes properly. But how it will comes the table shape, sir? Like this. So what are the tags I'm going to highlighting here? See that one, sir. The first one, red color box. What is this red color box, sir? The name of the tag is TR. A red color horizontal boxes, if you want to draw it, you have to use the tag name TR. Next one, pink color boxes also available, yes, sir. Vertical boxes. These pink color boxes, if you want to draw it, then we have to use the TD. The tag name is TD. Next, what about this blue color, sir? This tag name is called as caption. The name of this tag is called as the caption. Next, the green color letters, sir. These are the column headings actually. These green colors all are called as the column headings. Tag name is TH. The name of the tag is TH. Next, orange color is also available, sir. That is our data, sir. These orange colors all are our data. So what is the tag, sir? TD only again. Same TDA. Already columns I said TD kada. That is also comes with the TD. Column creation and column inside data filling both the TD only. But these rows, columns, all grouping one container required, sir. That is called as the table. For grouping of all these things, we need one big container. That big container is this one. So this is called as table. A table tag also. Table as well as the table tag. We total 5 tags. Table, TR, TD, TH and caption. 5 tags if used in the proper direction, then full-fledged table is comes. Same in our Oracle databases, tables, data maintenance. The same data, if I want to display on the web page, this table required. Oracle tables storing the data, HTML tables displaying the data. That is the only difference. In our database tables, it maintains the details. HTML tables that maintaining details presenting to the users. So table is the common point. Your Oracle table shape also same. Rows, columns, column headings, table headings. Indirectly, that is the explanation. But every tag purpose available in the diagram only. So table tag used for drawing of the main box, main table, and TR tag used for drawing of the rows, TH tag used for setting the column headings, TD tag used for the drawing of the columns as well as the filling the data also. Column devising plus data filling also same. And caption tag used to set the main heading for the tables. Main heading, column heading, both different, sir. What is the nature of all these column tags, sir? All are pair tags. 5 tags are the pair tags. Five tags are pair tags. And all are the block level tags, sir. No, sir. Some are the block level tags, some are the inline tags. As per the diagram shape, which is the block level, which is the inline? Can you identify anybody? Alignment pattern, we can identify that one. Try. TR is block level or inline? TR is block level or inline? TR inline? Block inna? Huh? Girls, take your wish, sir. మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చింది తీసుకొని అంటారా? అక్కడ రోస్ సైడ్ బై సైడ్ కమింగ్, వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ వన్ ఈస్ కమింగ్. బొమ్మ అంతా దరిద్రంగా డ్రా చేశాను. హౌ ద రోస్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్, సార్? వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ వన్ సైడ్ బై సైడ్? మరి సైడ్ బై సైడ్ అంటారు. ఓకే. So one after one it is coming and compulsory it is a block level. But columns side by side, one after one side by side, and compulsory it is inline. Headings one after one side by side, so it is also inline. Caption side by side, one by one, and this is the block level tag. And obviously table is also block level. 3 block levels, 3 inlines. A position observe, this is inline, and this is the block level. Or this is first row, this is second row, and this is first column, and this is the second column. Table, TR, and caption are block level tags. Table, TR, and caption are the block level tags. TH and TD are the inline tags. Table tag, TR tag, caption tag are the block level tags. TH, TD are the inline tags. The nature of the tags. And next one, is there any parent and child tags, sir? Yes, sir. Some tags are the parent tags and some tags are the child tags. Can you identify as per the shape? Which is the parent and which is the child? Indirectly main tag and sub tag. As per the box shape, you can identify that. Table main tag or sub tag? Huh? Main in the sense parent tag. Table parent tag. But tables child tags who? TR. TR అయితే very clearly displaying, sir. One more child tag of the table is a caption. But caption displaying the outside, sir. Heading generally outside of the table only displaying, but it's a subtag of the table. Next, THTD, sir. THTD. Data and headings. Childs. Whose childs? TR childs, not table. TR childs. Because where we are displaying this one? Inside the red box, kada. This data is also where it is available inside the red box. Who is the red box? TR. So TR's child tag is the TH and another child tag is the TD. So parent to grandparent to child is available. Table is the grandparent. Tables childs are the TR and caption. TR's childs are the TH and TD. So these two user, this is your parent and this is your grandparent. Formation is like that. Why we are saying it's a parent and child, sir? If you don't know that is parent and child, what we are doing generally, side by side, we are writing the tags. When you write the side by side, output doesn't comes properly. So parent tags, the child tags, we should follow compulsory order. Otherwise, proper outputs not comes. Table is parent tag. TR and caption are childs of parent, that is table. Next one, TH and TDR childs of TR. Table is the parent tag. TR caption are the childs of the table tag. THTD are the childs of TR tag. So total 3 levels of relationship is available here. This is the information about the 5 tags and their purpose. Picture wise I shown, sir, clearly. And if you write the program, we'll get some more idea. Now I'll go for the example here. See. But a syntax I'm not going to showing for this table tag. Reasons are, table tags we don't have any fixed syntax. Because how many rows you are creating, I don't know. How many columns also you are creating, I don't know. Depends upon the number of rows, depends upon the number of columns, the syntax is going to expanding. But a basic syntax available, sir. A basic syntax awareness is this last information. The basic syntax awareness is this last information. So use the THTD tags inside the TR. Use the TR tag inside the table. That is the basic syntax information. Okay, doubt available. Still, I'll show the small syntax. See that one. But it's not final or it's not fixed. Generally, this is the table formation. Table inside here, caption is comes. Something caption. And caption after TRE starts. TR inside TH or TD based on the requirement of the table. And close the TR and close the table. This is just an awareness syntax. How many TRs we can write, sir? Depends upon your records. How many TDs we can write, sir? Depends upon your columns. How many columns you need? Repeat the TD that number of times. How many rows you required? Depends upon your requirement here. Table 1, no, caption 1. No. Table 1, no, caption 1. No. TR repeating, TH repeating, TD is also repeating. So this is the basic syntax, not final and not fixed. See the example, you will get some more idea. So the first one is table, open, close. Next to caption, I'm not using, sir. In second example, I'll use the caption. And next to TR, I'm going to using TR inside TH. What is the diagram I explained? Same diagram I'm going to creating here. So one is the serial number. And second one is name of the student. And the third one is course joined. And the fourth one is contact number. And close the TR. So this is first row in our table. And the row contains the 4 column headings. But if I run this program, what happens are your headings neatly displaying the side by side. Lines comes as are boxes. So you design the colorful boxes, sir. No chance. Single line also it's not showing, sir. Only data is showing. By default, table doesn't contains any borders. Alignment comes, proper alignment, side by side data, margins, so everything is following, but lines not comes. Headings available here, side by side, because of inline tag. Lines not comes as a lines second row. I'm showing how to deactivate. First row completed. Now the second row. In second row, what we have to place, sir? Data. So TD I'm starting. If I place the TH again here, what happens, sir? Second row also headings. Say, you're interested. I want to fill the whole table with headings only, sir. Your choice. I don't have any objection. Your table, your program, your wish. But as per general pattern, data is comes from the second row. Serial number 1, data close. Next is second column data, sir. Name is Ram. Next third column data, sir. Some C language. Next one, contact number, fourth column. So 988, the rough number, sir. Who is Ram, sir? And don't ask. I don't know that one. Row number 1 is also completed. Go and check it. The data displaying like this lines wise. But the second row comes in the next line, sir. Why, sir? Enter row is a block level tag. So every row comes in the fresh line and every column comes in the side by side. Next, sir, you have to type the code side by side only compulsory, yes, sir. Line by line, we can't type it, as sir. Your interest. Typing is not matter, sir. It is HTML, C language. It's not C language, it's not core Java, it's a HTML. If you type the data in any style, but final output decided based on the nature of the tag as per your typing style. Nature of the tag. Sometimes we type tags side by side, but output is comes the line by line. Sometimes we type the line by line, but output is comes in the side by side. The tag nature deciding, not your typing error. Would see that I typed in the 4 lines, sir. Would 4 data comes in 4 lines in output? No. The C Java it will comes, but here it will not comes. So typing your choice how you want to type it. Just awareness, another 3 rows I'm taking here, sir. So roll number 2, name of the student Sam. Because for that type of doubts stopping, I split it here. See that one. Side by side, a compulsory, line by line, not possible. If anybody you have the doubts, I'm splitting here data, check it. Java full stack, half stack, no, na? Full. So contact number. Sarvinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Next, third row. So serial number 3. Next, Python. Contact number. Total 3 rows. .NET. Okay. You .NET. Kannulu Pandaga. I feast. So full stack .NET to full stack Java and full stack Python. Total 3 students, 3 records, and this is the output. Formation perfectly available. Neatly alignment, spacing, everything is perfect. The only missing is lines. And lines missing, that's all. If I activate the lines, it is looking good, sir. Next example, I'll activate it. But all tags at a time, and a digest problem comes, sir. That only. This is the formation of the table. See that one. What I explained, the same procedure I followed here. This is the main tag. Inside that, this is the sub tag. And for this sub tag, these are the another sub tags. By chance, if you miss this order, sir, table not comes properly. Table displaying like as a paragraphs. Table shape changing, you will get the output like as a paragraphs. Next, I'm showing another example, sir. This time lines, so alignments, so sizes, everything it will comes, including the caption. So content changing, not this content. One of the example for tables, live example, in our Naresh IT website also we have tables concept. Maybe you observed or not, I don't know. Our institute website nareshit.com is available. In this website, the tables concept available. Grid concept is there. We already designed the grid also. And here tables also available. Where is the tables, sir? You get a new batches and one option is there, sir. This is, and select the Hyderabad. So what are the upcoming batches and recently started batches available? That all the batches information is available here. Recently started and upcoming batches information. Name of the batch, faculty name, date of starting, time of starting, and online registration link. It is purely table, sir. 100% it's table. Doubt available, right click and go to the inspect. So select this one. Table, TR, TD, 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 something. This is the main. If you want to see the source code of any web page, if you want to see the source code of the particular component, starting days I already explained, sir. Maybe you forget demo. Right click on your web page, go to the last option, inspect. This web page is designing what are the code developed by the company or developer, the source code right side visible. You can copy the source code, paste into your notepad++, Naresh IT name change into Shivkumar IT and run it. My website ready. Just 2 minutes work on there. Simple. How to select is there? Select all or otherwise right click here. We have the copy option. So select the code. Open your notepad. Take the new file. Paste that code here. In that code, Naresh IT available. Remove that one, Lakshmi IT, Lakshmi IT, Lakshmi IT, Suresh IT, Suresh IT, Suresh IT, right? After modifications of that names, save that program. Launch into directly into internet. Nobody is objecting. So sureshit.com, direct live website without writing the single line of the code. But Naresh IT management is not objecting us, sir. No chance to object, sir, because in the internet world, nobody is going to object. You can copy Facebook source code also. Even Facebook company also can't do anything. No, don't copy their logos and their names. That is, I said, Naresh IT name should replace with your name. A point I clearly said first only. After replacing the name, as easily if you launch it also, original website, nobody is going to objecting. 100%. No copyrights violations, no crime. So within 2 minutes, 2 months course joining, 2000 fees paying, not required anything. Just 2 minutes. అయ్యా అదే డేటా పెడితే ఇప్పుడు ఏమైందంట ఇఫ్ యూ సెట్ ద సేమ్ డేటా వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ నథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్ కదా సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ సంథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ సీ దట్ వన్ this data I'm going to copy a student data replacing with the new batches details of 5 rows I'm taking sir. Yes, sir. Here also one batch available. HTML JavaScript Sheikh Mastan Wali 26th September 7:30. So the first column of this one is course or batch. Okay. So the first column is batch and the second column is faculty and the third column is date of starting, fourth column is time. Link not providing, sir. Link copying and all again time taken process. 4 headings. If you are interested, you can add the additional column serial number. Last example also 4 columns only user Shivakumaru. Second example also 4 columns explained. Oh, table contains only 4 columns only. No, sir, that's only in this example 5 columns I'm taking here. Next, data preparation. Tags the same, just data changing, that's all. So TD, the batch number 1. Already one. So the course name, Core Java. That is nothing but an batch. The faculty name, some Hari Krishna sir. And date of starting 19th September. I think recently started batch. And then TD, time 11:30 AM. So TD close and TR close. First row is done. Same row, just copy paste it and change the names. That's all. Serial number 2, Python. Mr. Satish Gupta, 19th September, and change the time 7:30 PM. Next is second row, Advanced Java batch. So 22nd September. Date 22nd. 9 AM. and serial number 3 over. Next batch, data science, batch number 4. Faculty mistress, Kalashri and so 19th September, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Next, once again, Python. Serial number 5. Faculty Mr. K.V. Rao, sir. 19th September, 9 a.m. Would my batch also required? So HTML, JavaScript, and the better date 26th September, 7:30 a.m. So 6 records completed, 6 batches information. Once run this one, this is the table formation. Now first apply the borders, then we'll get actually it's a table and not a clear feeling is comes. How to activate the borders, sir? For that we have one border property, HTML's border property. Remember, sir, this one. Previously, we typed the border style inside because of that is the CSS concept. And now this is the HTML concept. Then only directly I applied the border. So double line border is activated automatically. And this is the table. When you apply the border HTML property, implicitly double line border is applied. And this is your data. And what is the size of the table, sir? Auto fit to content. The width of the table based on your data. Adjourners, columns sizes, one small size available, one big size available, one medium size available. Reasons are your data length is the reason. Height of the table decided number of rows. Width of the table decided the length of the data. I don't want like this, sir. Then you can set your own measurements. Width to height. Your own measurements we can specify. First, I'll show the auto content and auto like as our flex concept, sir. Suppose serial number. Now refresh. Column size expanded. Reduce the data. So auto fit to content or not? Yes. How much data available based on the data, column sizes, row sizes existing automatically. Everything. Row also expanding, sir. Yes, sir. Suppose Hari Krishna name available. Between the Hari and Krishna, I'm using the BR tag. The data splitting into 2 lines. Whenever the data splitting to 2 lines, sir, automatically row height should be increased. Increased the row height to not increased. So that is the default size of the tables, auto fit to content. Who are not interested this auto fit content, those we can go for your own width. Write the width how much you required. 400 pixels, one option. Otherwise 60%. What is meaning of 60%? Browser how much available in that my table width is 60%. Both accepted, direct measurement or this one. But percentages, advantages, you know very well. Whenever the browser size reducing, sir, table is also reducing. If I write that directly 500 pixels, sir, this reducing automatic adjustment is not possible. Next, where the table is displaying, sir, table is displaying to the left side of the my browser. Can I get the table to center of the my pages, sir? Yes, sir. Align option is available. Apply that one. Align equals to center. Table displaying the center of the your browser. Next, top of the table, write the heading list of new batches. So use the caption tag. Caption tag in syntax, I explained that is inside the table. Caption list of new batches. Where it is displaying, sir, exactly top of the table in center position. Top of the table in center position, it's going to displaying table caption available, table available, rows available, columns available, and column headings. Total 5 tags we used here. So this is caption tag. This box is a table, and these are all the table headings, and these all are the data of the table, and the horizontal is called as the TR. Next, can I apply the CSS settings on this table, sir? 100%, sir. Up to now, we know some 10 to 15 CSS settings, colors, background colors, multicolors, whatever it may be, anything we can apply. How many CSS properties you know? Borders, so shadows, so background color, foreground color, alignment, so font sizes, so whatever it may be, everything we can apply that one. See, I'm showing here. Starting the style tag, internal CSS. This is internal CSS. And 2-3 settings, sir. For 2-3 settings, external not required. So first one, caption tag. I want to display the caption with differently, sir, because main heading of the table. So big size with a different color, try to use. So increase the font size. 32 pixels or 30 pixels. Colors are, I need color red color. Only caption tag displaying with your given styles like this. Next, headings. But data headings we have to display in same style or different styles. Data headings, difference required or no need? 100% difference required, sir. If you display the same style, some users misunderstanding. Oh, this is also data. Chances are there. Users, sir, computer programming, no idea. Common man, anything possibility is there. So TH, the headings. I need headings all are the different look. So right here, background color. Which color? Red. Background color red and foreground color white. So 5 headings available total. 5 headings, background color red and data color white it will comes. Next, what about the data, sir? Try to apply the data also some styles. But data representation tag is TD tag. So open the TD, write something background color and foreground color. Sienna. Yellow. Background yellow. Foreground blue. Yellow green. So background yellow color, foreground blue color for data. Headings background red color, foreground white color, and caption only red color data. So designing table with some CSS options also. We have to apply the more CSS options. Coming examples will discuss those. for giving or for providing of awareness, some CSS properties I used. Balance CSS properties apply yourself. How many you know up to now CSS? Write any of those CSS properties here. 100% program is working. No doubt at all. And next one, these two examples, we just designed the basic tables in there. And we want to design the CSS tables also. The CSS tables will getting a special attraction, sir. But IPL points table is there, na? That is purely designed with the CSS pattern only. Without CSS, that much of look is not comes there, 100%. But for that, we have to need any additional knowledge, sir. Compulsory, we need some additional knowledge. I'll explain that one. Before that, a small note point here. In tables inside, only text data only possible as sir. Any other data also we can place it as sir. But I'm not explained that point. Some students are doubt conformly available, sir. Because last two examples, numbers, names, numbers, names, numbers, names only we are displaying. Not only numbers and names, sir. How many HTML tags you know up to now? 30 plus tags, right? 30 plus tags, any tag you can use inside the table. Starting tag H1 tag. Remember, last topic grid concept. H1 tag to grid topic. How many topics you have the awareness? How many tags you have the awareness? Use those all the things inside the tables. Headings, paragraphs, divisions, anchor tags, images, order list, unordered list, field set, anything we can implement it. No problem. Data presentation is the required. For presenting of this data, we can do anything also. Simple thing. See, just an awareness, roughly I'm showing that one. This is TD, sir. TD inside, I'm writing H1C, that one. Hello and TD close. Column inside, H1 tag I'm displaying. I have one more column here, sir, and H2 I'm going to displaying. So first column contains the H1 tag, second column contains the H2 tag. And the output is this one. And H1 into big size, sir. As per your data, table size also adjusting. Next, second row. Again, TD starts. What is the second row content, sir? I'm trying to display some images. Possible, sir? 100%. Because IMG is also one tag only. Image SRC equals to images slash icon 1.png. Image closed. The first column. Second column, sir. Another image. Icon 4.png. In second row, two columns available. Two columns, two images we display. Table A, still you are watching table, but data is a different type of data. Last one. Once again, TR. TR inside, again TD. TD inside, UL. UL means unordered list. Unordered list inside LI tag. Just rough data, no meaningful data. LI. Some colors names I'm going to displaying here. So UL close and TD is also close. And TR also close. What is the special in this one? In last row, what is the special? We have only one column. Actually, previous two rows, we have two columns, but here we have only one column. Second column, I'm not designing. Why, sir? I don't want. Nakuddu. Nakuddu. I don't want. So I'm just removed that one. But in that place, what happens, sir? I empty space forming, sir. First column, I fill the data. Second column, I don't have any data. So you can leave it blank, no problem. So table inside, how many varieties of data is there, sir? Headings available, images available, order list available. Like that, your first topic H1 tag to recent topic grid, any type of content we can place inside the tables. It is not examples, sir, just a guideline. That's all. Okay, balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.
CSS code property wrong వాడుతున్నారు. మీరు ఏ ప్రాపర్టీ వాడుతున్నారు? లిస్ట్ హైఫర్ స్ప్రైట్ హైఫర్ ఇమేజ్ ఇమేజ్ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంది కదా గూగుల్లో చూసారా ఒకసారి? సేమ్ రాసారా? సేమ్ రాసి అడ్రస్ రాంగ్ ఏమో చూడకపోయారు ఒకసారి. మీరేం రాస్తారో తెలిస్తే నాకు మీరేం మిస్టేక్ చేశారు స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ మీ ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఆ లొకేషన్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ మీరేం రాశారో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆ లొకేషన్ ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే నాకు క్లియర్ నేనేం చెప్తా సరే మీరు ఆన్సర్ స్పేస్ ఒక ఎక్స్ట్రా స్పేస్ టైప్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ ఐకాన్స్ ఉంది కదా ఇమేజెస్ ఇక్కడ ఒక స్పేస్ ఇచ్చాను రాదు నాకు సరే some programs change in certificate. For all batches, we are not explaining same program. So batches with the slightly program changes are theory part is found same. Some students batch to batch program same common. Same another course or whatever join the batch to batch will slightly progress in 1 year back about materials. So for 1 year to optimal the difference, how to show that it was corrected also it is not a matter. Old system they are using it. 80% the same thing only. Balance you can out from the Google Drive. Use and text size. Apply the width and height. You want increase like this height.